You all right?
Yes, sir, I'm fine. My legs.
TigerTail, get the TigerTail. Get on the bike and put it in reverse and go. Hold on. I'm gonna take the TigerTail off. I'm gonna do it from the front cause I ain't got no room to go.
Hey, we going to this a little bit.
I don't know what's on the other side of that. Take it.
It's gonna take a minute probably.
It
Flip. That sensor in there probably gonna take a minute.
It flipped completely over.
Yes, sir. Like you all the way over, like to the side. I fell off my butt.
All right, put it in neutral.
Yeah, it was put it upside down.
That way. All right.
Wait, are you not moving?
Yeah. You got a four wheel?
That thing is just bent. Trying to see if you can turn that wheel. Yeah, I think it's just bent. I can't tell what's bent, but yeah, it's definitely off. Maybe a control arm.
Yeah. Push it. Come on, get right there. Push it. Yeah. Push. Yeah, I see. It's bent. It's messed up bad. Gotta get it back, so. Yeah. Alright.
We can get it back?
Yep.
You gonna roll enough for us to get it downhill?
Yeah, I think so. And try to control it. When we go down the hill,
back brake.
Yeah, use your foot brake.
Yeah.
Other side, yeah. To control it from hitting it to me. I don't care if it hits me. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Because if it hits me, it's not going forward and not flipping over.
Yep. I need to attach this to the back. You can do that too. But...
Okay. You got it in neutral?
at this point, I'm thinking, damn, this is dangerous. What the?
Use your brake, or use your brake.
Man,
Don't.
You see
Don't
that?
come to a side stop.
Almost knocked me over.
Just use your brake to slow
Man, I was
down.
scared as hell. I ain't say nothing though.
Yeah, yeah. Don't let just
Oh, my wife
gently put the brake.
kill me.
All right, come off the
See
brake.
this video. I couldn't show it, but man.
Gently, don't let it roll.
I'm sitting here thinking, man, what the hell we about to do? How am I gonna get the thing back? Ah, Lord.
What? Yeah. Try your tire. Yeah.
It was a little funny though. Almost knocked me
Yep.
Almost knocked me off the thing. I can laugh about it now. Shoot, at the time, man, my heart was beating out my chest.
No, we good. Remember.
Boy. And that darn wheel too. Shoot. That knocking sound is just my boots. The angle after I lifted it up is too. The angle is too acute, so they knock like that when I'm driving slow.
Turn your tire. Turn it, yeah.
They work just fine. I've been riding pretty hard. They're holding up, so I'll change them when they break. But now, keep rolling.
Turn, yeah.
Now at this point down that hill, I was like, I don't care what happened. Just like Tiger fall off and drag that thing all the way back to the truck. We getting home. Talk about relief.
Yeah, just the arm is broke. All right. Dang, ain't got no other choice. You got to get it back. So just try. This is your good tire. Don't really worry about the tire. If it drags, it drags. As long as it spins and it doesn't stop, that's your good tire. So steer with this tire. Meaning go right and left based on this tire. Okay. And we'll get there. If they can have power, it'll get you there.